All right. Good morning. Today I want to share the joy that I have every once in a while. Like about every 10 days, every 2 weeks, I go into my yield farms that I've created where basically I'm providing liquidity and I make money based on transaction fees. And today I'm going to share with you a little look behind the curtain on my yield farms. And first thing I want to show you is, for example, here is one that I got in on June 12th is when I originally first got in. And in this yield farm, here's what I have as of 620 all the way through 718, which is today. I've created this much in fees, okay? And this is totaled up to around $210 I've created in fees on an investment of only 35.67. Now, when I first got into this pool, I was supposed to be making around 67%, and then the second time I added some more money into it, it was 35%. Anyway, that's how much I was supposed to be making, and on pace so far since getting into it, which is just over a month and yeah, okay, a month basically. I'm on pace to make 60%, and that's just proven because I've already received that. Now, if we actually look at the farm itself, because of the heightened trading fees that have just taken place, this yield farm right now is actually earning 118%. Now, these numbers change all the time, so this is just an average based on 7 days worth of trading. And you can kind of look at the number and see how it changes. See this? Based on a longer time period, it goes down to 73%, which is kind of right on track of what I'm doing right now. So that's one farm that I'm going to basically go into today. I'm going to harvest the yield, which basically is a term used in the yield farming industry for basically grab my money that I've earned, which is at this point in time $31.69. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to add it back into this pool. So I'm compounding my wealth. And that's the extremely beneficial thing of taking full control of your own assets in the crypto yield farming field. Now, that's just one of my farms. Let me show you a couple other ones. I have another one where I have invested, so that's Link in USDC. So in total, I invested $2,424 into this pool. And this pool is now worth $2,964. So let me put that in here, 2,964. So according to this, taking into account the fees that I'm generating and the actual asset value, I'm on pace to make around 226% on this, including the value of Solana increasing and so on and so forth. Now, I want to make clear just my fees that I've generated so far since I got into this pool, which also was on June 12th. I've generated $102 in fees. And if I annualize that, I'm on pace to earn around 43% in this pool. Okay? Oh, I love it. And then I'm going to take this same thing. I'm going to take this $37 that I'm ready to harvest, 37.81, and I'm going to add it back into this pool to compound my wealth again. So let's show you another one. So that's Link. Matic, I've got $32.72 in unclaimed fees ready to claim and collect. All I have to do is press collect here, and it goes into my magic wallet, which I love. And let me show you Matic. So Matic, when I first put money into this pool, I put 41.76 into this pool, and I'm now at 46.15. So let's look at that. Look, since July 5th, it's gone up from 4,300 to 46.15. Let's do that. Let's change this number here. And this spreadsheet that I'm working on, this is something I created myself that I basically give to my students who get my training and get my course. But on this pool, I'm on pace to earn annualized, if everything stays the way it is right now. Like I've already made around 10.5% since June 12th. Okay. I'm up 10.5% on my portfolio just in this pool. If things continue the way they are, I will be on pace to earn 106% in this pool. Now, bear in mind, this could change dramatically. If the price of Matic falls, then I could be down. But one thing that doesn't change is this. My fees will still keep generating. And in this pool, I'm on pace right now to earn around 23% in just fees. Now, when I first got into the pool, based on a 7-day fee structure and 7 days worth of collected fees, it said this pool, once it's kind of gone through a full year's period, should be earning somewhere around 80%. Okay? Now, as you can see, it's not showing exactly that right now, but I've only been into the pool since I've only been in the pool for about 35 days, 34 days. Okay? So these things kind of average out over time. Let me show you a couple more. Today is payday for me, so I'm really excited. So, that's why I kind of made this video. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Now, basically, I'm just switching network, basically switching to a different blockchain. There's reasons why I go to one blockchain as opposed to the other, and I talk about this in my training. So it's a little bit too much to talk about right now, but there's definitely big reasons why you go from one chain to another. Here's another pool that I'm in, which is ETH and USDC. And typically, look, in this world, you can try to earn some really crazy high fees. I'm kind of conservative, to be honest with you. I'm happy with making 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% on my money. Are you? Woo! Anyway, ETH USDC. Let's go to ETH USDC. I got into this pool also on 612. Basically, I did a whole adjustment on 612. The cost of getting into this pool was 4207, which basically is the amount that I invested. I'm at 4419 right now. 4419. Which means, okay, on this pool, I'm on pace to earn 51% annualized. Like if everything stays the same, but if ETH goes through the roof, hey, this will go up. If it goes down, this will go down as well. So you have to bear in mind. As far as my fees will never stop. No matter what's going on with ETH's price, whether it's going down or up, people are still going to be trading it. If it's going down, people are going to be selling it. If it's going up, people are going to be buying it. Where whatever happens, and if they're buying it in the pool that I'm a liquidity provider in, I get part of the fees. I get part of the fees. I'm the bank. I win either way. Such an amazing fucking thing, man. I love it. All right. When I got into this pool, it was supposed to, on a yearly basis, earn around 38%. So far, it has proven out that it's on pace to earn 17%. Now, again, I've only been in it since the 12th. So this will, over time, theoretically and ideally, it should average out to this number when it's all said and done on a yearly basis. Okay? That's kind of how it works. And then last but not least, here is another pool that I'm in. This one is for wrapped Bitcoin. If you don't know what wrapped Bitcoin is, I can feel your pain. There's a lot to learn in this field, but you can't just there's something special you have to do with Bitcoin in order to earn fees on it. Okay. And let me show you. So wrap Bitcoin, I'm on pace to earn. I first got into this field or into this pool with the intention of earning 56%. I've got a total of 48.82 invested in it as of today. 48, see here, okay, look, here's a perfect example, 48.66. So this one went down a little bit from the last time I looked at it, 48.66. How come it went down? Well, Bitcoin just recently had a nice pump and then it went back down. So as of right now, my unrealized profit and loss with the total amount that I've invested in this pool, I'm down 16 bucks. Okay. However, one thing you need to pay attention is this. I invested 48.82 in it. I'm now at 48.66, so I'm down $16. But guess what? I have made up for that $16 in fees that I have collected. So realistically, I'm actually up. I'm up 30 bucks, 47 minus 16. And this is what I talk about. And this is what is so beautiful about this strategy. First of all, only 0.06% of the world is even doing this or even has the ability to do this. Out of that 0.06% who have the ability to do this, I don't really even know how many are. So it's a very, very small number. If you learn this strategy, you will be part of an elite group of people that are using this strategy. And here's what I love about this. I'm a long-term investor in Bitcoin, and this is allowing me to mitigate my risk because I'm earning fees while Bitcoin's doing what it does, goes up and down, goes up and down. I don't really care. I don't really give a shit if this value goes down. I'm still a long-term holder of Bitcoin, but throughout the whole process, I'm going to be earning fees. And that's why I freaking love this strategy. Look, if you want to learn more, check out my website. I have a website called printyourown.crypto.com where I teach you how to create your own cryptocurrency bank and your own cryptocurrency money printers, whatever you call them. I don't care. Basically, I teach you how to create your own financial freedom by creating passive income streams with any or every, with any crypto that you really just, actually I take that back, it can't be that. It can't be any crypto. There's only special cryptos that you can do this with, and I talk about it in that training, but I teach you and train you how to create your own passive income streams and create your own financial freedom by creating your own cryptocurrency bank or money printers, whatever you want to call them. Go to printyourown.crypto.com. Printyourown.crypto.com. And let's do this. Take control of your finances. I promise you, your life will never be the same. You will never look at a normal savings bank account at your local branch ever the same. Who the hell wants to earn 3%, 2%, 0.5% when you can do this type of stuff? And you can do it with safe assets if you consider Bitcoin and Ethereum safe. If you don't consider cryptocurrency safe at all, this is not for you. But if you consider some of these blue chip assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Solana, fairly safe, then you can do this. Promise you, you can do this. You don't need to be a technical genius. Everything that I just showed you seems extremely complex, but I break it down for you and show you exactly how it works and how you can get started. And you can get started, honestly, within 24 to 48 hours from our onboarding call where we talk to each other. You could be up and running and making money. Okay? Peace.